Durga, Mahishasura was not an ordinary demon. He was born with the ability to change his form at will and had the strength of 1,000 elephants. His most fearsome form was that of a gigantic buffalo. Mahishasura began his journey by undertaking severe penance to please Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. For years, he meditated in the deepest forests, his mind unwavering, his body enduring unimaginable hardships. Pleased by his dedication, Brahma appeared before him and offered to grant him a boon. Mahishasura modified his request. "Then grant me this,
O great demon, your penance has impressed me. I wish to be invincible, so that no man, no god, no demon, and no animal can ever kill me. Let my death come only at the hands of a woman, whom I believe is far too weak to defeat me."
hesitated but ultimately granted the boon. With his new powers, Mahishasura became invincible in the eyes of most beings in the universe. As Mahishasura's tyranny spread, the gods realized they could not defeat him by conventional means. They gathered at the abode of Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, and sought his counsel. "Mahishasura cannot be defeated by any of us, for he has been granted immunity from men and gods alike. What shall we do?" they asked. Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva, the trinity of the universe, combined their powers, along with those of all the other gods, to create a divine warrior. From this immense collective energy emerged Durga, a goddess with unmatched beauty and power. She had 10 arms, each holding a weapon bestowed upon her by the gods, symbolizing the strength of the entire pantheon. Her mount was a majestic lion, fierce and noble, and her eyes burned with the fire of righteous wrath. Durga rode across the heavens on her lion, her presence radiating power and fearlessness. The earth trembled as she approached, and the skies darkened, sensing the inevitable clash between good and evil. As Mahishasura charged, she dodged his attack and struck him with her weapon. Enraged, Mahishasura transformed again and again, shifting from a buffalo to a lion, to an elephant, and to other fearsome forms. But no matter how he changed, Durga met each of his attacks with calm precision, striking him down each time. He soon reached Mahishasura, who laughed at the notion of a woman challenging his might. The battle between Durga and Mahishasura raged on for days, shaking the heavens and the earth. Mahishasura, in his various forms, unleashed his most devastating attacks, hurling mountains, causing storms, and summoning dark magic. But Durga remained steadfast, her resolve unbroken. Mahishasura returned to his buffalo form and charged at Durga with all his might. The impact was so fierce that it created a shockwave, but Durga was prepared. She stabbed her trident into his chest. Her courage and power were celebrated by the gods and humans alike, and she became a symbol of divine protection and strength.